Bamboo farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Bamboo is a fast-growing and versatile plant. It is used as an alternative to wood in household, construction, furniture, paper production, and various handicrafts. Once planted, bamboo can yield for 30 to 50 years. Bamboo absorbs carbon and prevents soil erosion. The price of bamboo is constantly increasing, and it is used in various sectors. Dear viewers, today we will know how to make a profit by cultivating bamboo in a short time. We will also talk about the different steps and techniques of bamboo cultivation. Bamboo grows well in warm and humid climates. It requires an average annual temperature of 20 to 35 degrees Celsius and sufficient rainfall. It can be cultivated in flatlands and hilly areas. Loam and sandy-loam soils are suitable for bamboo cultivation. The best yield is obtained if the soil pH is 5.5 to 6.5. It is important to have adequate drainage. Bamboo seedlings grow quickly and produce good yields if planted correctly. Some bamboo species, such as radish bamboo, can be grown from seeds. After collecting the seeds, seedlings need to be prepared by caring for them in the nursery for 4 to 6 months. Most bamboo cuttings or stems are planted using the rhizome or culm cutting method. A healthy 1 to 2-year-old bamboo stem or root is cut and prepared for planting. New seedlings are made by dividing the base of old bamboo plants. June to August is the best time to plant bamboo at the beginning of the monsoon. If planted in the dry season, regular irrigation should be arranged. A hole of 50 centimeters in width, 50 centimeters in length, and 50 centimeters in depth should be dug. The hole should be dried in the sun for 2 to 3 days to eliminate harmful insects. It is best to plant seedlings at a distance of 3 to 5 meters, depending on the bamboo variety and the purpose of cultivation. Planting too densely can hinder the growth of the plant. Place the bamboo seedling or stem cutting in the hole. Cover the base of the seedling well with soil and press lightly. After planting, give sufficient water. Normal rainwater is sufficient during the rainy season. Water every 7 to 10 days during the summer. Keep the area around the tree clean and remove weeds. Organic or chemical pesticides can be used if necessary to prevent termites and fungal diseases. Applying urea, TSP, and MOP fertilizers every year improves bamboo growth. Regular maintenance and weeding are essential for the first 2 to 3 years. Apply organic fertilizers 2 to 3 times a year to speed up bamboo growth. During the dry season, spreading rotten leaves or straw at the base of the bamboo can help retain soil moisture. If the bamboo plants are too dense, cut some bamboo occasionally to create spaces, which improves air circulation. Bamboo can be cut after 3 to 5 years of planting. It is better to harvest bamboo before the monsoon season, as it has better quality. Bamboo is in high demand in the local and international markets. Bamboo is widely used in handicrafts, furniture, paper mills, and construction industries.